Jenny just turned 32. She stares in the bathroom mirror, tracing the fine lines around her eyes that weren't there last year. Her mom casually mentioned, "Honey, you're getting lines on your forehead just like I did." That comment stung. She even dropped $300 on viral TikTok serums everyone swore by. Nothing worked. But what if there was something that actually changed how your body functions on a cellular level? Not just sitting on your skin, but sending signals to your cells to regenerate like they did when you were 19. Don't worry, girl, I got you. Because those solutions exist, and they're called peptides. Welcome to Glow Up Girl, and today I'm revealing the ultimate anti-aging peptide stack that will keep you looking young, fresh-faced, and beautiful. Don't forget to elegantly tap that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. So, let's get started. Peptide number 1. This one is a topical and is known as the Skin Regeneration All-Star, GHK-Cu. Here's Jenny's problem. Her collagen is collapsing. At 20, you have around 200 nanograms per milliliter of this copper peptide naturally in your body. By 60, just 80 nanograms. GHK-Cu doesn't sit on your skin. It sends direct signals to your fibroblast cells, telling them to build new collagen and elastin like you're 20 again. In head-to-head studies, 70% of women showed increased collagen after 12 weeks, beating both vitamin C and retinoic acid. One study found it reduced wrinkle volume by 55.8%. This is the real collagen rebuilder. Peptide number 2, another topical powerhouse, Matrixyl. Jenny's got fine lines that are getting deeper, but retinol makes her skin peel and burn. Matrixyl is a fragment of type 1 collagen that tricks your fibroblast cells into thinking your collagen is breaking down, triggering emergency repair mode. The genius part? It's attached to a fatty acid that actually penetrates deep into your dermis where collagen lives. In a 12-week study on 93 women, it significantly reduced wrinkles at a concentration of just 0.0003%. That's how potent this is. Another study showed 36% improvement in skin elasticity, zero irritation, pure collagen production. And by the way, if you suffer from debilitating period symptoms, check out Paramo. It's an all-natural drink that replenishes the nutrients your body loses each month, as well as providing symptom relief naturally. Discount link in description. Peptide number 3, the last topical, nicknamed Botox in a bottle, Argiline. Jenny's expression lines on her forehead won't budge. Lucky for her, Argiline works by destabilizing the snare complex, which is the mechanism that makes your facial muscles contract. It slides in like a puzzle piece and interrupts the neurotransmitter signal, gently relaxing muscle contractions without paralysis. In a 30-day study, women applying 10% Argiline saw a 30% reduction in wrinkle depth around the eyes. It even enhances Botox results when used together. Peptide number 4. Now we're moving to injectables, and this one is called the Body Protection Compound, BPC-157. Jenny's problem? Her twisted ankle from last month still isn't healed, she's constantly bloated, and her body just doesn't recover like it used to. BPC-157 was originally isolated from human gastric juice and has this remarkable ability to heal multiple tissue types. Tendons, ligaments, muscles, gut lining, even brain tissue. It works by promoting angiogenesis, growing new blood vessels to injured areas, while dramatically reducing inflammation. In animal studies, it healed torn Achilles tendons and closed stomach ulcers. A phase 2 human trial showed benefits for ulcerative colitis with zero toxicity. This is the multi-system healer. Peptide number 5, the muscular regenerator, TB500. Jenny's been dealing with a rotator cuff injury that's kept her out of CrossFit for a year, and no amount of rest is fixing it. TB500 is a 4,3 amino acid protein that binds to actin and directs cells to migrate exactly where injury exists. It promotes blood vessel growth, reduces cell death, and here's the wild part. It facilitates mitochondrial transfer from healthy cells to damaged cells through tiny cellular tunnels. Athletes use it specifically for injuries that normally take months to heal. This is the injury eraser. Peptide number 6, the cellular age reverser, epitalin. With the help of BPC-157 and TB500, Jenny's skin and injuries are starting to heal like they used to. But what about aging at the DNA level? Every time your cells divide, your telomeres, the protective caps on your chromosomes, get shorter. When they're too short, cells stop dividing properly, and that's why you age. Epitalin is a 4 amino acid peptide that activates telomerase, the enzyme that actually lengthens telomeres. In human cell cultures, it extended telomeres in cells from elderly people. A 12-year study on elderly adults showed 28% lower mortality in those taking it yearly. Another study found increased telomere length in immune cells after just 1 year. It also normalizes melatonin production for better sleep. This addresses aging at the chromosomal level. Peptides 7 and 8. These two are taken together and work synergistically. CJC-1295 and ipamorelin, the growth hormone increasing peptides. Jenny's noticing that despite working out, she's losing muscle and gaining stubborn belly fat she can't shake. Growth hormone peaks in your 20s, then crashes. By your 40s, you're producing a fraction of what you once did. CJC tricks the body into releasing growth hormone, keeping GH elevated for days with one injection. Ipamorelin triggers natural GH pulses without spiking cortisol or prolactin like older peptides. Together, they amplify each other's effects. In clinical studies, one dose of CJC raised GH levels up to 10-fold for over 6 days, and IGF-1 stayed elevated for 9 to 11 days. Users report better body composition, deeper sleep, more energy, and juicier skin. This is the hormonal reset that makes your body feel 20 again. If you use this anti-aging peptide stack consistently, you'll fight and even reverse the signs of aging. Now, there's one product you probably have sitting in your bathroom right now that you need to throw in the trash. Watch my other video exposing the beauty industry's biggest scam to find out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.